Looking for dependable boat lift services on Chickamauga Lake? Middle TN Econo Lifts has you covered. We specialize in durable, affordable boat lift systems that are built to last. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time lake dweller, we make launching effortless. From Econo boat lifts to PWC lifts and wave armor docks, we carry the gear that fits your lifestyle. No more struggling at the shoreline or worrying about hull damage. Our lifts are easy to operate and made for Tennessee's changing water levels. That means peace of mind all season long. Located just a short drive from Chickamauga Lake, we serve lakefront homeowners, marinas, and dock builders. And we're proud to offer fast installation and honest local service. Need help picking the right lift? Our team walks you through your options. No pressure, no fluff. We'll get your watercraft up and out of the water safely and back in whenever you're ready. Because boat days shouldn't be stressful. Join the hundreds of happy customers across Middle Tennessee. Choose Middle TN Econo Lifts, where your lake days start with dependable support. Call us today at 615-278-8219 or visit middleteneconlifts.com. Let's lift your boating experience on Chickamauga Lake.